Thread turning. There are many methods for threading processing. Among them, thread turning is a common processing method. The workpiece rotates. The tool moves along the axis of the workpiece by a lead. The trajectory of the cutting edge forms the threaded surface of the workpiece. Lathe processing screw equipment is universal. It can obtain high-precision threads, but the production rate is low and requires a high level of skill from workers. Thread milling. Cut the thread surface on the workpiece with a thread milling cutter. Processing threads by CNC milling, compared with traditional thread processing methods. In terms of processing accuracy, processing efficiency, it has great advantages. During processing, it is not limited by the thread structure and direction. Compared with turning, thread cutting is more expensive than thread turning. Thread rolling with rollers. Rolling screw thread with rollers. A forming rolling die is used to deform the workpiece. It is a chip-free machining method to obtain thread surface. The video demonstrates the double roller rolling method. Rolling threads have high gloss, high strength, and high precision. It is suitable for batch production. Thread rolling flat die rolling. Rubber plate extrusion thread. Two threading plates with threaded teeth are staggered by half pitch and are arranged relatively. The fixed plate remains stationary. The moving plate moves in a reciprocating straight line parallel to the cleaning plate. When the workpiece is fed between the two plates, the moving plate moves forward. The workpiece is extruded to deform the surface into a thread. Tapping. With a certain torque, insert the tap into the bottom hole to be drilled to process internal threads.
Are here. You all are welcome over here. Don't miss this Imtex. Please come, do come, visit us and encourage us to serve you better.
Threading. cutting is to process external threads on a round rod. Thread grinding. Grinding the thread with a forming grinding wheel as a mold. Precision threads.